Do you enjoy playing games with your family,
I can't do it.
but are having a hard time finding games that are easy and fun for your loved ones with special needs? Are traditional games just too hard? Well, Adaptivities has a solution for you. Each month, you will receive a new game box that provides hours of fun for your family to connect. Our subscription box contains one adapted game, a step-by-step drawing project, and 2 creative games for the family to enjoy. All games come with written instructions and a short YouTube tutorial. Adaptivities has done all the shopping and adapting so you don't have to. Our game boxes are appropriate for ages 4 to 9 and ages 10 to adult. Just go to our website to order your subscription box for just $32 per month, shipping and handling not included. Pre-order yours today.